Hi there, Ken Stissel here with CR Onsrud, and I'm here to talk about the Extreme X Series Heavy Duty Aluminum Profile Machining Center. We developed this machine for a number of industries, such as the tractor trailer industry, the marine industry, architectural aluminum industry, electrical vehicle industry, as well as the aluminum window, door, and cladding industry. Let's check out the machine. This is a 5-axis machining center, which allows us to machine the front, the back, the top, and each end. One of the major advantages of this machine is the clamping or fixturing system. Each one of these clamps are programmable and servo driven so that they can move throughout the program. For example, if you're machining down the profile, it can be programmed to move out of the way and continue processing all the way down without operator intervention. Another great feature of the machine is quick setup and changeover, as I'll demonstrate here. Going from one profile to the next, depending on width, can be changed by simply moving the rear jaw in and out. And if your profile changes shape, you can actually machine the shape of your profile into the jaws and do quick changeover as well. Now let's take a look inside the machine. As you can see, it's fully enclosed, which is good for chip containment. There's that 24 horsepower spindle, capable of turning a 550 millimeter diameter saw blade. Great for cutting, mitering, notching, a variety of applications there. It is a tool change capable spindle for changing out bits and saws as needed. Let's check out the rest of the machine. This machine, as it sits, is set up for pendulum processing. As you note, this is a stop here, which will allow the operator to load and locate the part here, clamp, and do what's called pendulum processing. The machine will cut and process this part while the loader is at the opposite end, unloading and loading down there, and the machine will go back and forth, keeping that spindle running as long as possible, getting as many parts out the door as possible. Another advantage is the chip conveyor system, which allows for chip evacuation, keeping everything clean inside the machine. The machine is equipped with the Unis MQL lubrication system for aluminum cutting, as well as an automatic grease lubrication system for all the linear guides and ball screws. As I mentioned earlier, this one is set up with a 24 position tool changer, as accessed by this door here. Standard is 12, but we do have this 24 position tool changer as an option. Thank you for joining us on the EX Series machine walkthrough. For more information, contact us at info@cronsrud.com.